In this video, I'm gonna show you two methods to import XMP files into Photoshop and also explain how to delete them. You need to click on Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. It's very hard to see my mouse pointer at the moment, so I'm gonna click on this gear icon and change the theme color to light, much better to the eyes. Now we can see the mouse pointer. Alright, here's the button to access presets, and you can see all the available presets. Now I'm gonna go into my folder where I have the zipped XMP files, and I also have the extracted folders which contains the XMP files. I'm gonna show you the first method to import the presets directly from the zip folders. You need to click on these three dots, then click on Import Profiles and Presets. After that, select your zipped folder, click Open, and you can see it imported here. Expand it and hover your mouse to see the preview on the left side. If you want to remove these presets, then I'll show you that at the end of the video. But first, let's take a look at the second method to import the XMP files. You need to click on these three dots on the right side. Click on Save Settings. Click on Save. Now we are not gonna save anything, but instead click here and copy this whole folder location. Next, go to the File Explorer. Click here, paste the folder location and press Enter. This is where you need to copy the XMP files. So I'm gonna go into my presets folder and let's try these presets. You can see the XMP files here. I'm gonna copy these, go to my target location and paste them here. Now if I go to my Photoshop, you can see a new category in here. Expand it and there it is. Now if you want to delete these presets that we just imported through XMP files, then you can simply come back to this folder and delete these. And if you want to delete these presets that we imported through the zip folder, then you need to go one step back to the Camera Raw folder and open this folder named Imported Settings. These are the presets we installed through zip folder. You can simply delete these. And as you can see, they are gone from the Photoshop as well. So that's it guys, try it yourself and share your experience in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.